It's your boy E-Dog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add an outline or something in Photoshop. So first you're going to want to come over here to your quick selection tool, and you're going to want to highlight over everything that you want an outline to go around. So you can see I got this shape. This is where the outline is going to go around. It's going to be right on the edge of this smiley. So then we're going to hit Control C, come down here to add a layer. On the next layer we're going to hit Control V. You can see that this smiley is now on this layer as well. Then what you're going to do is right click blending options, click stroke, and the plus button. You can see the outline has already showed up. So here is where you can change the size of the outline and if you want it inside or outside. You're probably going to be using it for outside, so let's stick with that. You can make it big, you can make it small, you can do whatever with it. I'm just going to put it right there. You can change the color of it right here. So if I wanted it red, which I don't because the background's red, so I'm going to keep it to white. And now you're done. So if this video helped, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Been your boy E-Dog. Till next time.